All right, first grade. So today we're going to be learning 14.5. It is called Problem Solving, Use Reasoning. Today you're going to be learning about estimating and measuring using paper clips and cubes. So first we're going to start off with our video. Our video is going to be the Pearson video that talks a little bit about how we can estimate and how we can measure using cubes and paper clips. Once we are done, I will show you your math assignment for the day, and then you will be done. Here we go.
You can measure the length of the toy boat using cubes or paper clips. Plan. Do you need more cubes or more paper clips to measure the length of the toy boat?
So let's stop and think. Do you think that you would need more cubes or more paper clips to measure the length of the toy boat? Let's take a look at both of those objects right there. One of them is a little smaller, one of them is a little larger. Which one do you think? Let's watch.
Analyze. First, compare the cube and the paper clip. Cubes and paper clips are both small objects, but how are they different?
But how are they different? Some of you guys may notice that the sizes of the objects are a little different.
The cube and the paper clip are not the same size. The cube is smaller than the paper clip. So, do you need more cubes or more paper clips to measure the boat?
Would you need more cubes or more paper clips to measure the boat? Think about which one you would think you would need more of. Here we go.
The cube is shorter, so you will need more cubes.
So notice, if an object is shorter, that means that you're going to need more of it to measure a boat. Now, the paper clip is larger, so you're going to need less of it to measure the boat.
How many cubes or paper clips will you need to measure the toy boat? Think about this question as you do the activity that comes next.
All right, first grade. So they showed you a little bit about using different types of measurements, a cube and a paper clip. Let's take a look at our assignment today. So your assignment says directions. Drag the yellow circle to estimate, then measure to check. Just a quick reminder, measure means to take a good guess on what you think would be the right amount. But instead of looking at the right amount, they just want to know more or fewer. So let's take a look right here. In this example, you will see that you have a yellow circle right here. So I want you to estimate first. Remember, estimations always come first. So estimate. Would you need more cubes or more paper clips? I think that we're going to need more cubes. So I'm going to highlight the cubes using the yellow highlighter. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to actually measure it. Notice that you have objects on the side that you can use to measure. So I'm going to grab a cube and I'm going to actually measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. I needed 4. So I'm going to write my number right here. I'm going to write 4. Now I'm going to take these back and I'm going to try the paper clips. I'm going to put these back and I'm going to try the paper clips now. Whoops. Let's take the paper clips. I needed about 4 cubes. Now I'm going to take the paper clips and I'm going to see about how many paper clips I'm going to need. Notice that it's about 3. I want to say about 3. So my estimate was right. I'm going to write 3 because I actually measured it. My estimate was right. I needed more cubes. Remember, the estimate comes before you actually measure. You're going to go to the next one right here, and notice that this one says fewer. Which one would you need less of? You have a yellow highlighter to drag to the correct answer. Then you're actually going to measure. You're going to drag the objects and actually measure it. Boys and girls, you have a few of those examples before you get to some word problems. This one says, Carmen made a sundial. How long is the shadow? Once again, you're going to drag and you're going to check and see how long the shadow is. Tell me how many cubes the shadow is and how many paper clips there are. Once again, you will do that for this one. It says Bridget measured the chalk. How long is it? You will see that you have another few word problems. For the last one, it says use the yellow circle to drag to the correct answer. When you find the correct answer, you're just going to drag it to the correct answer. If you have any questions today or find something that may be a little bit confusing, you can always comment and I'd be happy to help. Your goal today is to be able to estimate first and then measure and see which object and how many you needed of each. All right, good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.